Emergency water filter. Materials needed: plastic bottles, 1.5 liter, fine sand and coarse sand. Stone, pebbles, cloth, cotton, powdered charcoal, bottle of muddy water. Filtration is the process of separating suspended solid matter from a liquid, by causing the latter to pass through the pores of some substance, called a filter. First layer: straining fabric. Second layer: pulverized charcoal. Pour about 3 inches of pulverized charcoal into bottle. If available, cover with another coffee filter to prevent charcoal from being displaced too much during filtering. Third layer: fine sand. Add a 2 to 3 inch layer of the finest sand you can find. This and the subsequent layers you will add are to filter out particulates in the water. Fourth layer: coarse sand. Add a 2 to 3 inch layer of coarse sand or very small pebbles. Fifth layer: fine sand. Add an additional 2 to 3 inch layer of the fine sand. Multiple varying filter stages, like a reverse osmosis system, ensures that most of the particles present in the water are caught. Sixth layer: gravel. Add a 2 to 3 inch layer of gravel or small rocks to prevent the water being poured in from displacing sand. Top strainer. Cover the top with a porous cloth, like a bandana or cheesecloth, to help catch debris and prevent sand from shifting when pouring water. Pouring and collecting. Pour water slowly into filter while holding it over the second container. Make sure to wipe off or clean the collection container. Pour water slowly so as not to disturb filter layers too much or cause filter container to overflow and possibly spilling unfiltered water into collection water. Sterilize water. Even after filtering, water may still contain microbes and needs sterilization. Boiling is the easiest method. Alternatively, pour filtered water into a clean, clear plastic or glass bottle, 3/4 full, cap it, and shake for 30 seconds to oxygenate. Place it on a reflective surface in direct sunlight. On clear days, expose it for 6 hours, with 50% plus cloud cover, leave it for 2 days.